The Boating Adventure Channel Update number 29. Well, a very good evening to you. It is Saturday the 20th of May 2023 and I'm currently at the Castle Waterside Aqua Vista Marina in Nottingham, and the Swamp Duck is there behind me. Steve and I had tentatively planned to be here last Monday for the beginning of our trip up to Boston along the Fosse Way and the River Witham and on the tidal Trent, but unfortunately we've been unable to do that. That's really down to me and the fact that over the last few weeks and months I've been rather involved in my own health issues. I've been having blood tests and physical examinations, and there's been a lot of waiting and nervousness about the whole thing, and currently that's still the situation, but I am optimistic. It is a fact that 80%, I think it's 81% of the people who watch my channel are men. And it's also a fact that of those men, 50% or more of them are in the age of 50 plus. So that means that an awful lot of my audience are in the at-risk category for things like prostate cancer. And so I thought I couldn't let this opportunity of an update to go amiss without mentioning that, because it's something that doesn't get talked about too much. You see the odd poster now and again, which is why I went to the doctors to get a routine checkup. There's an awful lot of information that you can find on the internet, but some of it isn't easy to plough your way through, and I found it extremely difficult to find information that was straightforward. And then when I was at the hospital only this last week, I came across an organisation called prostatecanceruk.org, and that was an eye-opener for me, because when I got home I went on the internet and I looked up the site, and I have to say that if you were at all concerned or worried about things like prostate cancer, then that's a good place to start. It's a very well balanced and informative website. It's run by a charity, and they really have gone into great detail, but the language that they use is non-scientific and easy to understand, and I only wish that I had come across it a few months ago. It might have relieved a lot of anxiety and anxiousness. Anyway, this is a beautiful place, and I've had a fantastic trip up here today. It's just what I needed after a week of trepidation. It was great to be able to get out on the Swamp Duck, and it's a beautiful stretch of the River Trent, the non-tidal Trent, from Cranfleet Locks all the way up to Beeston Locks. It really is a lovely stretch of water. I hardly saw anybody really. There was a lot of wildlife, but not a lot in the way of humans. So it was really nice to be able to get in amongst nature and feel a little bit calmer. So I hope that this video that I'm making today will be some kind of compensation for the videos that we should have been making.
There's a message drifting in the air. If you listen, you will notice music everywhere. This bridge is made of hope. This bridge is made of hope. In this world of hunger, war, and strife, we can together, all included, build a better life. This bridge is made of hope. Side by side, hope. This bridge is made of hope. Side by side, hope. This bridge is made of hope.
My next video, which comes out next Saturday, which will be the 27th of May 2023 at 8 a.m, is my recent visit to the Llangollen Canal. We hired a flat, an apartment at Wrenbury Wharf Mill, and so I was able to do some boating up and down the Llangollen Canal, and what a beautiful, beautiful canal that is. So please feel free to join me at 8 a.m. on Saturday the 27th of May 2023 for that video, and then there's another one from the same visit the week after. So thank you very much for all your support, and do take care.
Oh,